We are putting a spotlight on the wedding boom predicted for this year. J-Lo and Ben Affleck, they're engaged again. 20 years after the first time they nearly walked down the aisle. Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker said "I do" in Las Vegas after the Grammys, but they don't have an official marriage license yet. That was just kind of a trial run through, I guess, practice. But along with plans for lavish ceremonies and wedded bliss comes big plans for prenups, you can guess, right? And they're not just, though, for the rich and famous. Liz Pran is here to talk about more of this. So you can hear about it, the buzz with celebrities, people with a lot of money, but it's actually, I don't know, a common thing for more people than we know.
Everyday
and it's a good
folk
thing,
like
maybe.
you and me, huh? Everyday folk.
Yes.
All right, so we all go into marriage, wanting it to never end, right? You think to yourself, it's always going to be perfect, but that's not always the case. And there's an uptick of folks making sure that their finances are protected if things do happen to go sideways. Like you said, it's not just the rich and famous. In 2019, a survey showed that 62% of divorce attorneys said that they have had an increase of clients requesting prenups. Of that request from millennials, who tend to be more financially conservative, is on the up and up. Prenups, they used to be taboo or seen negatively, but they can actually help couples start conversations about money or financial planning. They can also help you protect assets, such as previously owned businesses. People are getting married a little bit later. True. Investments, maybe a family property, even an inheritance if you're expecting it decades down the road. If you're concerned about being left maybe with your partner's debt, let's say they maybe took a couple, 2-3 years to go through college. Nothing is off limits. That can also be protected. And by the way, women have more earning potential now than women did just a few decades ago.
Ah.
According to a 2018 survey, 45% of attorneys say that they have noticed more women are paying alimony.
Interesting.
Experts,
how that links
I
up.
know, right? So experts say if you're thinking about putting together a prenup, give yourself a couple months, like we're talking 6 months, to get all of the details worked out. It's not something that you want to do last minute. And as you know, emotions run really high before a wedding, and so get it done ahead of time. But get it done.
Kind of prep yourself mentally, right? If you're going to pitch it or pose it, either one. All right, Liz, thank you so much. I do want to bring in trial lawyer Randall Kessler, and author of Divorce, Protect Yourself, Your Kids, and Your Future, for his perspective in a legal point of view in this. Randy, good morning. So you've handled a number of high-profile divorces. Liz listed several things that people might want to do, might want to consider. What can't you have in a prenup? Is anything off limits?
So children issues are generally off limits, because you and I might agree that if we have children, you should have custody. But by the time we get a divorce, you may be a bad person and I may be the better parent. So you can't deal with child issues or child support until the actual divorce or split up happens. That's one thing you can't have. You can put in there things about alimony. You can put in sometimes, a certain amount of alimony, but you can't talk about waiving everything altogether. But you can certainly say, if you're married 3 years, you get this much alimony. That's what Britney Spears did in hers. You can look at the celeb divorces and celeb prenups for a lot of guidance.
And, as a couple, is it best to get separate lawyers for this? Or if you're in agreement, maybe you use the same lawyer? What do you recommend?
So you actually have to have separate lawyers, and it's good for everybody for a lot of reasons. Number one lawyer can't give them both advice, because what's good for one might not be good for the other. Number two, if you are the one that wants the prenup enforced, you want to make sure that your spouse had independent representation so that he or she can't say, I didn't know what I was doing. His lawyer told me to sign it. So you should each have your own lawyer.
How do you separate it from being all, a business transaction versus you're getting married, it's for love? I feel like there's a thin line you have to tread, in between the two, because you want to protect yourself and your assets, but you also, you're planning to marry and be with this person.
So here's what we learned in law school. You can contract around the law. In other words, let's figure out what happens if, God forbid, we get a divorce. The money's already divided. Now we can just focus on our love and our relationship, because no one's posturing for how do I get more money, how do I get not more money. The money issues are already done, they're already dealt with. So the only question is, can our marriage survive because of other issues? Money gets off the table, agree ahead of time, commit to it. Then you don't have to worry about it. It's not the most romantic thing, but it certainly cuts out a lot of lawyers' fees down the road, and it makes any divorce a little less adversarial, if there can be such a thing.
And let's say you don't get a prenup, but you become very successful down the road in your marriage. Can you get a postnup, or is that a whole different segment?
It's a whole different segment. You can get it. The law allows you to do it. the question is, why would the other side sign it? But if everyone's agreeable, yes, it just means you signed a prenuptial agreement post-nuptially, after the marriage.
All right, Randy Kessler, thank you so much for your legal expertise on that.
Great to see you. Thanks again.